Welcome people, welcome to the channel. Right now, I've ready for showing you, you see me, with me making Toto. Enough people use coconut and throw the trash and realize that yo, they can actually make something with that trash, with that waste, you see me. So, what I want to do for me before I show you, I want to leave a like on the video. I want to comment below and tell me fun way how to make Toto. I want to subscribe and touch the bell for notification with a drop, and also share the video. I want to also follow my Instagram, Yard Style Adventures, and also Jeff876. The link for the page them down below in the description, so when they click it and go over there and give me a follow. This is my simple way of making Toto. They can put raisins and all that night, but I'm my simple with it, right? If they warm and not much things, they can make something the same way without waste or trash, you see me? Or yeah, put something in the oven and no one waste that much gas, because you know say when in the oven you use enough gas. So you can use one stone, kill two birds. So all I do, when you throw in the meat, we add bake or whatever you do in the oven, you can do it at the same time. You see me? Yeah. So I'm showing all them people, so stay tuned, watch the full video, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'm out. So people, see shop right there, so I'm gonna buy the coal. Yeah. Buy some coal and some baking powder. So hopefully sharp baking powder, you see me? Serve. How much coal again, Mama D? How much coal again? Alright, and yeah, baking powder. Alright. Let's see, 250. Alright. How much is small amount baking powder yourself? Alright, then that do. Alright. See cool people back in dirty, but no watch that. You see me? So checking back in again. So people, I look at dry coconut. So I'm here. I want some. Wow, lighting bad. Anyway, actually I want some, and I might cheese still no, but I live a country and anywhere of things you can take a 1 and 2, you see me? Well, at least some neighbor still. Some neighbor. There's some people who them bad mind and you know mean and them thing and like share. I say none on the cheese still. So it looks like something for joke off one. Now give me no good justice, like give me not good justice. Can't find none. It's my chair, but mine have none. My own energy enough. Oh God, my work get a stick. And joke off, you see me? Now get a stick and joke off. On the right here, so get up and joke off, you see me? So stay tuned, please, stay tuned. Because none on that tree, somebody will pick up already. See, you have my country, you have a man tree, so you don't know a man tree. You have a man tree, the tree right here, so a busy tree. Apple tree, coconut tree, apple tree, yeah, breadfruit tree, see banana tree there. Country nice man, country life, nice, best life. Alright people, see before I pick the dry coconut, I'm going to show you the busy. You see me, must be can find one from the ground because not much person knows say busy beer in a pot like Aki. Yeah. Not much person know that, so I see me can find one on the ground and show them. You see me? I see none over there people on the ground. I see chi here. I see none on the ground. I'm go there. Alright people, it's none but so one tree here I grow. You see me? I don't see none people. That's what I'm showing a while ago. Oh, I'm busy. You see they get take out of the pod with a grater and boil. Yeah man. Look like another time yet. And then chop off, then finish. Yeah. Busy good for you. Suppose you have a dog and intake poison and he's sick and then move droopy. It just grater and busy. Put in some water, stir it up and drench him with it, you see me? Yeah. Busy good for so much things. So you're that country. And anything go on, just drink some busy, you see me? Yeah, drink some busy, you're good again. Or the animal good again, you drench him and him good again. People, as you see, stick too short, so I'm tying something on this and come back, so soon circle back. And people see, I'm tying it, so come again. With that country, I stick too short, you cut one and climb tree, so I can tie on something on this, isn't it? It's length you want. Alright people, so I get a feet here. You see me? But if I add on something more on the stick, you see me? A longer stick because I couldn't reach it. You hear that? The shake that means it's good, so I'm going to chop it out now and then I'm checking back with you now. So people, so everything I'm going to use: sugar, flour, so you have some Benjamin vanilla, yeah. You have some Benjamin almond flavored extract, yeah, butter, the coconut. It's optional still. I thought I'm gonna try with this. So on soon see what I go on. My coal and the coal pot. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna deal with this. After I'm done blend this, then I catch the coal stove, you see me? Because I don't know say store up everything easy, quick and fast. So I'm gonna do this. So I'm gonna do this now, so stay tuned. Alright people, see coconut milk here. See coconut trash there. Little bit, not much. See fire here. I'm gonna light fire now. And this is the gas, I'm using the fire. People, don't try it at home. Do not try it at home. A simple touch of fire, just throw some cooking oil pan on towel, on tissue, wrap it up, put it in and light it, and then put the coal over it. Simple and easy. Don't try it at home. People don't try it at home. Don't try it at home. So I'm checking my good at the mix up a Toto. Salt. Yeah. Flour. baking powder. And people can use baking powder and baking soda. So you two of them go together, you make what you bake. Like you totally know, have a spongy feeling, like when you squeeze it, it does swell up back, yeah. Sugar. And some nice simple way. And cooking and baking are like trial and error. You have to make a recipe or what's that again? A way how you want to do it. How it will work for you. You can't put too much flour. If I put too much flour, it will overshadow the coconut charge. Coconut milk. So why they can't take like brown night. So one at a time. And almond time now. Remember, so this, if you know you do the almond and rose water, a little bit. You can put more at the vanilla night than them thing here. I put for them thing here night. Can't eat. Give a funny taste. And taste you know. It's a little bit too watery, I'm saying, but a little bit more flour night. Alright, this takes alright now. But I take the brown of this and wait till the fire don't touch it, right? You know, the fire now go on good. Now go on good at all. Them cold you can hard to catch, so when the fire catch, you check them back, you know. You put a little bit of brown in it. The brown and not the black. A little bit, a pinch of brown in it. Make sure that. You can put a bit more in it. Alright, that's alright. The color is alright. You can pick the color you want. If you want it more darker, you can put more brown in it. And you can put like a rum in it, just preserve it, because I don't know so rum preserve things, and the coconut milk make it spoil easy. Everybody knows the coconut milk make things spoil easy, and also make things nicer. If you have coconut milk, you can use water, but the coconut milk better, make it more nicer. So I don't need the coconut trash now, and yeah, sure, you can just mix up it with the flour and the spice and thing there, and bake something. Alright people, so I just start catching the cola more stubborn. I'm going to just put some more cardboard night, blow it up, and it's good now. Yeah. So when I catch some more, I put on the Toto. I don't know, some of it for the bottom or some on top and put in the middle. Pay attention now, so show time. So, I strip out this now, people. You can make hold the camera and I strip out this at the same time. So, soon checking back on you. So, see there, people. I take out some now, put on this card, this up on top. Cook it slow and steady, and the way kind of difficult. If you know how to do, you burn up your knife. Open, we have a control environment. You can control the heat. I'm throw on so now. I put something across here so, and you put the pot on it. I make a alright. I'll put the pot on it now. Like this. And it's like so. Alright. See? Pot in the middle. So, alu in the middle. In the bottom, in the top. People, so the remaining coconut milk. What I'm going to do, I throw out some. Take a vanilla night. And little rum. And butter. And throw it on the Toto when time it start bake. Yeah. So basically, I make a crust, a nice crust. I don't know if this is soaked down there, the Toto same way, you see me? So that's nice, man. Hi people, so this is the coconut milk, rum, and vanilla. Take very nice same way, and chip and butter. So wow, this hot. Hold on there. Get two of them, yeah. Two of them here. Something like this. So now I put which parts I make. I don't know if you see it, like I'm gonna pour still. Alright, see the people. So come on. So I'll do something like this. Can I lean to the people too? Right. Butter timer now. I'm so going to fix the tea because it will lean. Chip and butter. So I get a nice crust, people. Them things I put upon it now. As me, I put them things upon it. So I want to know more level the pot. So my level it now, people. I'm soon checking back on again. Alright people, so see it here now, but can level up now. This one's some more cool. So I'm trying some more cool night. So all water you can enjoy it and thing. So the next time I'm checking back on you know. This must be done. See it here people. Cannot burn up still, but this is it. It's when they are baking things from coal, you have to mind what you do, you see me? You can't put too much coal, you bake it slow. Bake from coal more slower than baking in the oven. And when you bake come to the oven when time to finish, when you look at the side of the mirror, so you can see whatever you bake separate from the pot how you are baking, you see me? So right now it's finished. I take it off now, make it cool, and then we taste it, you see me? So stay tuned people. Alright people, that's how you bake a pudding or a Toto on coal stove. You can do it on the stove, you know, like in the oven, but I say no, I want to do it authentic as possible. And everything I do, I try to do it authentic as possible. Outside cooking mostly, you see me? Real Jamaican style, yeah. And me bake on the coal, it's easy because me used to it, you see me? That's something been doing over the years of baking and all that, and I'm not perfect at baking. Nobody's perfect, but I have the drive to push to better myself and all that, because baking is something I like and cooking I become something I love also, you see me? Yeah. So stay tuned for more videos like this by just subscribing to the channel. Touch the bell button with a drop, because if you subscribe and don't click the bell, you now know when I put a drop. So click the bell, put it on all. Follow me on Instagram, the Artstyle Adventures, and Jeff876. The link to the page down below in the description. Just go down there, click it, go over there, and give me a follow. You see me? So, I'm checking my phone one time. The Toto done cool, or I cut it, you see me? Because I want to show you every step. So, stay tuned, people. So, check my phone now. People, hey, cool man.